Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your mobile applications with Firebase, full guide step by step. To secure your mobile applications using Firebase, start by creating a Firebase project. Visit the Firebase console at firebase.google.com. Click on Create a Project and follow the prompts. Once your project is created, add your mobile app by selecting the appropriate platform. For Android, download the Google Services.json file and place it in your app's root directory. For iOS, download the Google Service Info.plist file and add it to your Xcode project. Next, integrate Firebase into your app by adding the necessary Firebase SDKs. For Android, modify your build.gradle files accordingly. For iOS, ensure you install the Firebase pods. Once integrated, configure Firebase authentication to manage user access. Enable authentication methods in the Firebase console under the Authentication section. Consider using email/password, Google Sign-in, or any other available option. Implement user authentication in your app by calling the appropriate Firebase authentication methods. After setting up authentication, move on to Firebase Firestore or real-time database for data storage. Set up security rules to control access to your database. Use conditions based on user roles or authenticated state to enforce these rules. Next, enable Firebase App Check to protect your app from abuse. Add app check providers such as Play Integrity or Device Check for Android and iOS respectively. Integrate app check validation within your app's code. Next, utilize Firebase Cloud Functions to implement server-side logic securely. Use Cloud Functions for sensitive operations and avoid exposing your API keys. Implement appropriate security rules for your Cloud Functions as well. Regularly monitor your Firebase usage and security through the Firebase console. Check for any unusual activity and adjust your security settings as necessary. Lastly, keep your Firebase SDKs and libraries updated to benefit from the latest security enhancements. Following these steps will significantly enhance the security of your mobile applications using Firebase. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.